Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Opera05. Firstly, we need to check is you enable Bluetooth. So go to the settings, Bluetooth for connected devices, and if it disable, enable it. If you have Android, use control panel and enable Bluetooth here. Then tap on your earbuds at the device list. And we have connection. But if it didn't help you, the next step is to perform a soft reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone, and we have this information at the device list. Right here there is no connection, and if you have Android it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, and it also means that your earbuds is disconnected. Now after that you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone, and yeah, we have connection. So it can fix your problem. If it doesn't, next step is to remove and add these earbuds. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. Then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, after that click pair new device. And as you can see, it entered to pairing mode automatically, so just tap on it. But if you cannot see it, right here at the left side we have connection button. You just press and hold it for at least a few seconds until this LED light starts blinking. Here we go. Now we have it, and you enter to pairing mode manually, and you should see it also at the device list. And then tap on it, and we still have connection. Cool. But if all of these methods didn't help you, the last one is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the lid. Next, we need to press and hold at the connection button at the left side of the charging case for at least 10 seconds, until this LED light flashed red 2 times. So now I am press and hold on it. Firstly it entered to pairing mode, don't worry, it's okay. Now we keep holding. 1, 2, here we go. Now you can release your finger, and we need to remove it from the phone. So information icon or settings icon, forget and forget. Then don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and after a factory reset it enters to pairing mode automatically, so we don't need to use connection button, just tap on it and that's it. And we have connection. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.